Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be doing question 56 from 1.5 exercises in James Stewart calculus. So we are asked to solve for x. Start with the first one, and we're now going to find the ln of each part. So you're going to find the ln of 1, you're going to find the ln of e to the power 3x minus 1, also going to find the ln of this. So whatever you do on one side should be applied on all sides, basically. And here, now that I have a ln of the e, the power will now come down. Now I have 3x minus 1. Okay. And at this stage, we are going to add 1 everywhere. The reason I'm doing that is just to eliminate this minus 1 there. So on this side, I have ln 1 plus 1. This side, 3x minus 1 plus 1 will just be 3x. And this side, I'll just have plus 1 as well. Now at this stage, I want to isolate my x because that's what I'm solving for. So I'm going to divide each part by 3. And on this side, I just have ln 1 plus 1 over 3. And you guys should know that ln 1 is basically 0. Right? So I guess you can substitute that 1 over there after this step. So in the middle, 3 over 3 is we'll just leave it with x. And on this side, you can leave it like this. So you can either choose to leave it like this, or just go one extra step, convert that to 0. So you just have 1 over 3. So 0 plus 1 is 1 at the top. But even this should be fine. Okay, so now this is what we have as the answer for the first question. Moving on to the second one, let's go on over to, I guess, this side. And we are now going to move the 1 to the right, leaving us with just negative 2 ln x less than 3 minus 1. So took this to the right hand side. And at that stage, I now have the following. 3 minus 1 would be 2. I can divide both sides by negative 2. But also remember what happens when you divide or multiply by negative. So essentially, that will change the direction of this. Now I have ln of x greater than minus 1. So this is where we are. And at this stage, I can raise each side as a power of e. And that is because I want to take out that argument, or just have the e out. So e to the power ln x equals to e to the power minus 1. So this would just be x, and that would be greater than e to the power minus 1, which you can write as 1 over e. Remember that if you want to make that power positive, you can just reciprocate, and that would give you this answer.